Go ahead.
Alright, so this is going to be a bracket for a leg vise, and it's like that leg vise right over there. So, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bracket right here holding it onto the table. So, I have at home a leg vise that I need to fix. So, if you can see here, this is going to be split open, and then I'm going to flatten them out. And so I'll be able to bolt it or nail it onto the desk or tabletop.
This man is an armor guy. He makes armor, so it's flat, cold work or curved stuff, but he's never done any hot stuff. If you heat it up, it's easier to shape, and you're going to do that with the anvil. And the fire, of course, is the forge. You got to soften up the metal. Once it's soft, it'll be spreadable. So you're going to use, of course, you're going to use the cutoff part?
Yeah.
You're going to use this one or that one over there?
Or should I use this one? Since
It don't matter. It don't matter. So put that in place.
it's going to take a minute to do that.
Oh yeah. Another project I'm working on is I've got to finish up a gate hinge. And I've got this end finished. I've got to bend this end. Then it's going to fit on that gate. Bring that gate right over here. Against the table. And go further. Get right against the table. Even up at the table. No. There. And that is going to fit on here. And then I'm going to mount this on the door. We'll get our whole gate back. And I got to put the latch on it yet. So we're doing in-house repairs. So I'm going to heat that and bend it right there. I've got it nicked, ready to go for where I want it. So let's get that done. Not sure where your piece is.
It's here on. This is going to be
There are organizations out there in your area where you live. Look it up on the internet. They'll have blacksmith groups. We have California Blacksmith Association that you can go to meetings and have conferences and meets where you can go and actually work and do this kind of work. But we don't train in here. It's very, very difficult to train in here because it's a state. You got to talk to the public and tell them about the history of the fort. So you don't get any real training done because you're ignoring the public. So if you go to one of those organizations, they'll teach you. And you got nothing but teaching right there. You don't have the public asking, what's that? Is that water real?
also have a band.
Yeah, a band, that's Artist Blacksmith Association of North America. So that's a big nationwide, 5,000 members. California Blacksmith, we got 900. And then in different states, they got organizations, and they all get together and share our ideas. Here's a magazine over here I'll show you.
Thank you guys for doing this for me.
Sure. Here's a